being recorded. So, so let's take this as LBAF and what this is. Okay, the first one is a field take. So is my screen visible, guys?
Yeah.
All right. Fine. So Pooja, can you take this first question?
Yeah.
Can you read the
Here is
question?
a
What? Hmm.
here is a function to return the maximum value in a list of integers. There is a logical error in this function.
Hmm.
Def max bed L my max equal to 0 for I in range length of L. If Li greater than my max is equals to L of I, return my max.
Hmm.
Select the input list for which my bed produces incorrect output.
Correct. Any idea how to do this question? Uma?
Yeah, we have to go through the elements, right? Then we can find out.
Correct. Okay. Pooja, do you understand?
No, no.
Okay. See, uh, just reading this code, you should be able to kind of understand that. But if you are still you're not able to understand that, you can see from the options. Okay. You can just plug in these input values for the L. Okay. So for I in range of length of L, so it means you're gonna iterate through this, right?
Yeah.
Pooja, let's take
Yeah.
the let's take the first sample input and check this condition for I in range of length of L. So come on, go ahead. If
If Li greater than my max
so my max is 0 and
0,
it is
Li
minus
minus
1,
1.
which is if condition is not satisfied, correct?
Mm,
So
yes.
we go to the next element, right?
Yeah. For
So
3 it's satisfied.
correct. For 3 it is greater than my max, so my max will be set to the value 3, correct?
Li, yes, yes.
My max equal to Li, so 3 you are going to set it to that. Next, for next iteration,
Then 4
correct?
Li greater than my max. Then 4 is
Correct.
greater than 3.
Hmm.
Then it becomes 4.
Correct. My max will become 4. Good. And
Yes.
minus 2.
Uh, it is not going inside of if loop.
Correct. So it will return 4, which is the maximum of the list in the list. Correct.
Yes.
Maximum element. So which means this input will give you the correct answer.
Yeah.
Okay. The question is asking select the input for which max bad produces incorrect option. So see this. What about this?
For this, it produces 2.
Correct, because first we'll have 0 and then again 0 and then 1 and then 2, right? Finally 2 will be the output, which is the maximum. Okay, so what about this?
All are negatives.
Correct.
So my max is 0,
Mm-hmm.
which is wrong output. Okay.
Hmm.
Got it.
Yeah, fourth option you are having it. Uma, you're also okay with this, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Probably what will be the correct thing to do? So we need to, if we want to find out a maximum element, and we need to initialize with the negative of a big number, ideally, right?
So, or we
Am I
can
right?
take
Hmm.
first number, my max is equal to first number, like I,
Ah, correct. First number equal to my max. That's also fine.
or L of 0, like that. Then it
Hmm.
will be okay.
Pooja, you got that?
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Great. Okay. Fine. So Uma, you take this question.
Yeah. A list having 2 per k items has to be processed using either of two given algorithms. Algorithm A takes 8n login time units, and algorithm B takes 0.02 n square time units to process a list of n items. What is the smallest value of k for which algorithm A would be preferred?
How do we
Yeah, I
do
think
this?
we have to substitute those numbers and check. I think that will be easiest, right?
Okay.
Like
So
we can
let's
substitute
substitute
and
and
check.
come up with the
Point.
answer. Right? Let's do it now.
Yeah.
What do you say? Okay. One second, Uma. Wait. So may I copy this question to Paint?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you do this?
Um, yeah, we can substitute all the options, right?
Okay.
Because
What
it
should I
is
do?
0.02 might be small, but depends on the value, I think.
N square and B is 8n log n. Correct?
Yeah.
List is having 2 power k. Okay. So you're saying let's give some values and check it out. Correct?
Yeah, we can substitute that input value itself. And n is 11, right?
Okay.
Oh, does it say K? Oh, one second. I did not get
N
it.
or k? I think the it's not n, it's k.
Okay, sorry. I thought it's n. Okay.
I mean, see, they are simultaneous. I mean, see, when you say it in terms of the complexity, the k is replaced with n, nothing else. N is equal to k, all the same.
Okay.
Oh, wait a second. No, n is the
No, no,
length
no.
of the link, and k is different. So,
We
so
process
if
the list of
k,
n items. What is smallest
yeah, if
value?
k equal to 2, which means 2 power k, which is equal. I mean, 2 power k is sorry, 2 power 2, which is equal to 4. That 4 equal to n. Got the point?
Okay.
Hmm?
So we
2
have to
power
check.
k equal to n.
Okay. So we can substitute this k value inside the 2 power, then we can find out. That is easier, right?
So you are saying that you instead of n you put it 2 per k, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we
So
substitute the
again,
values of k.
fine. So 8 and then 2 power k log of 2 power k, right? So that's
Yeah.
for the first one, and for this, all right. So they are saying that Uma, what is the question? So they are saying the smallest value of k for which the algorithm A would be preferred. Okay.
Yeah.
So they are saying that A is if A time complexity of A is less than B, you would prefer A, correct?
Yeah.
So which means yeah. So that
I think
you
we
know
can check B. Okay. I think there's
tell
no
me.
option. No, in the exam you have to substitute this 11 and check, right?
Hmm?
No, we have to substitute each value of k and try, right?
Hmm. Okay, okay. So you're saying that we need to calculate the whole thing and do it, huh?
Yeah.
Pooja, you have any other idea? I'm simplifying this.
No.
Okay, okay, Uma. So we'll substitute and see. Okay, fine. So for 11, what we'll get, we'll see. For 11, what is it going to be? 8, 8 times. Can you tell me? 2 power 11, huh?
2048.
Uh, okay. Hope this is right.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, multiplied by log of. Mhm. I think I'm doing it wrong. I mean, how do we do it as in a calculator? That's my question here. I understand your point. So 2 power 11 is going to be 2048. Okay, let's write it simply, and then
Yeah,
we'll do it. 8 times 20. What was it? 1 2
4 8.
2048.
4
Okay,
8.
times log
Log
of 2 power k.
2048.
Okay, so I need to do a log for this. Correct?
Yeah.
3.311. So this we can multiply. Now we'll multiply
Yeah.
all these things. Okay, and we are getting 5425.82. I'll write
Yeah.
like that. 54
2 3 1.
no 252.54252.829,
Yeah.
which is for A. Okay,
Yeah.
and then for B we need to write simultaneously, right? So for
Yeah.
B it is going to be for B it is going to be simple, I think, right?
Yeah. 0.02 into 2048, right? No,
Correct.
no. It is 2 per k, the whole square, no?
2048 square. Yes, exactly. Okay,
Yeah.
we get this multiplied by,
0.02.
and we are getting 83886.
B is bigger, no?
Hmm. Seems like even 11 is okay. 11 is also accepted because the value is less, but they are asking us the smallest value of the k, so A would be preferred.
B should be greater, right? Is it correct? N square?
Sorry, Uma?
No, 11
Did you say
also
something?
we prefer A, right?
Correct, correct. So I think they're asking like let's go forward and see. Hmm?
Okay.
So now we'll try with 13. Okay, for A and B. Shall we calculate for first B first because that
Yeah.
will be easy, right?
Yeah.
2 power 13, right? Which is 8192 square. Oh my god, what is this? Why did it go like 13? Okay, 2 power 13 square of that. Why is this again coming like this?
Maybe the numbers are long. I'm getting as 13,042,177.
No, see, it's saying that square root of. Did I give square or square root?
You have put power 13. What is that?
That's what I'm wondering. 2 power 13. Okay, multiplied by 8192, the same, right? Fine. So this is squared. Oh my god. Multiplied by 0.02. 1342 1342 177, right?
Yeah.
And then for A we'll calculate similarly. What is A? 8n log n.
Yeah.
We will first calculate. 8 n is going to be what?
2 power k.
2 power k, which we saw. Power 13 8192. Okay, so 8n log n, so which is 3.913. Okay, so multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8192, coming as 256467.
Yeah, it is less than that, right?
Yeah, 256457. Is it less than? Yeah, it's less than.
Yeah, much less than. Yeah.
Like, then where are we making trouble here? Why is that? Did we do any calculation mistake or something? What would be the smallest value of k? That's what they're asking for.
Yeah, it is supposed the biggest value, no? Maybe
Pooja, you got any thoughts? Yeah.
they are very closer, right? That's why still it is number. It is looks like bees takes a long time.
Hmm.
Maybe this
Pooja,
has a
Yeah,
yeah, you have any thoughts?
yeah. Actually, I'm. Wait, I will send it.
You're sending it, sending something.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want, you can share your screen, Pooja.
Uh, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Then share the screen. Yeah. Probably I made a mistake somewhere. Okay. So Pooja is sharing her screen. I'll stop sharing my screen. Go ahead, Pooja.
Is it visible?
Yeah, yeah.
Something given in discourse forum. See, like
Right.
this.
For that question, it is 12.
Yeah, because in this question they are asking for algorithm B.
Hmm.
Same question, 8 n log n and 0.02 n square for 2 power k. They are asking for B. It is 12.
So the largest value for B. Okay. So let's see how they are calculating it here. Hey, can you just click on that question alone, Pooja?
This one?
Yeah, click on that. Just click on that. Yeah, hold on. I'm just taking a screenshot of that. Hey, no, no. Did you zoom?
Is it okay?
No, don't zoom it. Don't zoom it. I'll take a snip. Don't worry. Yeah, leave it like that. Okay. Can you also take the what was the explanation for that?
This one.
Okay. Any other discussion in that thread? We'll explore that. But any other discussion in the thread? Only two things are there, I think, right? Okay. Seems like okay. What is this? 2 power k plus 3 times k.
They write 8. I think 8 becomes 2 power 3 and they add it like k plus 3.
Okay, fine.
And 0.02 removing decimal, they write it.
One second. One second. I think they are taking the log base 2. Uma?
Yeah.
If it was log base 2 power 2 will become as 1, right?
yeah, but
What?
okay.
You get my point. See, go down, Pooja, go down a little bit. Yeah, see there. What they are doing is so 2 that much is okay, right? 2 power k plus 3 is okay, right? That much you guys are okay,
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
right? So log 2k. So what is that log 2k? They are converting it back to k,
yeah, yeah. So that log 2 get cancelled, they got only 2k. So it is 2 power k plus 3 into k, right?
which means the base is they are considering it as 2
Yeah. It generally, I think in our subject that log
pdsa.
is mostly log 2.
Mm-hmm. Fine. The right hand side. Okay, right hand side we don't have a log. So based on the base that we choose, it's gonna change a lot.
2 power 2k.
Yeah, that's correct, right, Uma?
Yeah,
How?
it becomes 2k, then this 2 comes plus 1.
Hmm.
Yeah, plus 1, how did I get it? 2 per 2k is fine.
Yeah, this one, these two, removing decimal, we get 100. In
Oh,
numerator we get 2.
okay, okay, yeah, yeah. 2 by 100, okay.
Okay.
You can guess, he's telling me. He's just started putting from 8. You don't have to do that, right? Input alone, you can start, right? Just try all the inputs, right?
So, okay, let me share my screen. Pooja?
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
wait.
You can stop sharing your screen. I hope my screen is visible,
Yeah,
right? So we have the same. I mean, sorry, questions here, question and answer. So what do you want me to do, Uma?
yeah, we can apply the same in our problem. We can try
In
that.
our question, right? We have a
Yeah,
different question, so we shall apply the same for this
instead of
question.
calculating.
Correct. Okay. Then I'll take the screenshot again and do it afresh. Wait. Okay. 2 power 3 times 2 power k, right?
Yeah.
Log base to 2 power k.
Okay.
So which will be simplified as 2 power k plus 3 multiplied by, this is k again, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is a. And then for b it is 102 whole power 2 power k square. So this they have also done something else, right? What was
1,
that?
yeah, 1 by 100 into 2
2
power
by
k
100.
plus 1.
1/100 into 2 power.
2k plus 1.
2k plus 1. 2k.
Why?
2k. K
Power, no?
multiplied with 2.
I'm not understanding. Can you repeat?
Its whole is square, na?
Exactly, it's a whole square.
Then it becomes 2k.
Okay. The top, 2k plus 1, I believe, like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Uma, you got this?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So this is 2 actually. 2 power k plus 1. Great. And yeah, so now we can give the values and see, right?
Yeah.
So in order for the 11, okay, for a, it's 2
Power
power,
13, right?
no, 11 plus 3,
13. Okay.
It's
14
Yeah.
2 power 14. In
multiplied by 11. 180
one eight 2.
224. Okay. And for B it is 2 power 2k plus 1. Okay. Which means 2k is 22,
23
223. 2
2
power
power
20.
23 by 100.
power 23 divided by 100.
Okay. So
8,
83886, which is less.
so we're getting same thing, no?
Yeah, I mean the B value will get the same, but for A value you're getting a different, right? See, earlier A was lower,
Okay. Yeah.
right? Now A is getting a bigger
Yeah.
value.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I don't know
Okay.
why that calculation was wrong. Something.
That's because we took a log base 10, Uma.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Even in my calculator, I used. Okay, okay.
Okay. That's the thing. So now
We
if
should
we
remember
choose,
in the exam also, right? Yeah.
sorry, Uma.
We should remember in the exam also. Then, yeah,
Yeah, that's why we are practicing it now itself.
yeah. That
Okay.
makes a big difference, no? Calc and confusion also.
13.
Hmm. At least they should have mentioned it, log base 2 or something like that.
Yeah, the answer goes wrong because our first option is correct, no? In our answers when we
Mm-hmm.
try.
Hmm. Okay. So now let's come back. Here is this for A 2 power k plus 3. So which is like 2 power
14
16.
plus 3 16.
Yeah.
2 power
Power
16. into 13.
13,851,968.
51968.
968. Fine. And
Yeah.
for B it is 13
13.
times 2, 26, 27, 2 power 27 by 100. Right?
Yeah, a little much more than this, right?
We'll see that.
27 divided by 100. 13.
1342 177.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. So yeah, now A has become small. So this is the smallest value which we need to consider. So for 12, it is going to be like the same. Okay, now this is okay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we should be clear. We should be clear with this question. Great. We'll go to the next question. Pooja, simple. Finding the complexity.
What was the running time complexity? Um, while n I equals to
So let's say we are passing in 5. Okay.
yeah 5.
Okay. Correct. Let's say if you are passing in 5, 1 comma 1 is there, which is I and j. So j is less than or equal to n. That means I are increasing by 2 and j are increasing by 1.
That
You are printing
means
j. So
3
that
and
means what is the complexity here?
I
How many times will this loop run?
Only for 2 times, right? Or 3 times.
No. It will run
If
for
it
5 times.
only- But I is incremented. Only J we are comparing. Okay.
Ah. So what's the complexity?
N, right?
Hmm. Pooja, you got that? You understood?
yeah
Yes or no? Seriously.
yes j time
You,
j running n times 2 n.
correct. So what if it was 1 here? I mean,
Where?
sorry, not 1 I. What if it was I here?
Then log N it will be.
No, no, ma. Still, it's going to be n only. It's
No,
n.
I.
basically n by 2. You will run the loop for n by 2 iterations,
Oh,
right? So I'll just give you that 1 minute. Okay. So for this particular question, okay, if you are passing 5, we are getting 5 iterations, right, Pooja?
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. If we pass 50,000, we'll get 50,000 iterations for j. I mean, for we are just comparing j, right? So, and if we put while if we put I here instead of j, if we put I and they are increasing it by plus 2, right? So Uma, what will happen here is basically, so if you are giving input as 50,000, right? So it will run for 25,000 iterations.
Yeah.
Oh,
So see, this is what it was big O of n. Here it is big O of n by 2. So which is also what big O of n. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Pooja got this?
yeah.
So when will we tell? When can we tell that it is uh, log n?
Only when it is there is a partition kind of thing.
No,
If the
when
list
there is
is
a no, when there is a multiplication.
Okay.
Once again, I'll just put my charger on. You guys think about it. Why? If Pooja knows it, tell it already.
I cross I square, then it becomes a square root.
I'll come in a minute. Uma, did you get the logic? I mean, Pooja, what did you say? What should be there?
When I equals to I into I, it becomes I square.
Correct. Hmm. Okay. So it's becoming a square.
I would say I into I. That's what you said,
Is it I
Gopi.
into I or I into 2? What is the correct one?
I into 2.
So if you are saying I into 2, that will become what will be the complexity of that? See, let me tell you, if you are putting, okay, let's say that, Uma, let's say we are giving input as 50,000, right?
Yeah,
Okay. And if we have I into I, okay, for the first iteration, it will be 1 into 1, which
yeah,
will be 1, right? For
yeah.
the second iteration, it will be, so
Two.
you're multiplying again I into I only, right? Which
Yeah,
means
two.
again it's still going to be 1 only. You're
Oh,
not increasing the value of I at all.
okay.
Pooja, you understood?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so let's say that if I was given as 2, for example, if I was given as 2, so now 2 into 2, so it will become 2 into 2, which is the for the second iteration you are having 4, okay. Then for the third iteration you are having 16. For the fourth iteration you will have 16 into 16, which is a much bigger number. I don't know, 196 or something, I don't know. Okay, then the fourth iteration, 196 into 196, right? So how much is that? It's approximately near to 38,000. We're getting some 38,000. So for the fifth iteration, that's all. It won't even go further. You will stop it. Correct?
Yeah,
Pooja, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this is not a, if you're putting I into I, it is not a log n. I into 2 it should be. Okay? Which means 2, then it will become multiplied by 4, then 8,
Yeah,
16.
got
This
it.
is how we do it, right? Usually.
yeah,
Got the point?
yeah.
Pooja?
Yeah, yeah.
Great. Okay. Hope that's clear. Wait a second. And they are saying that it is because root n. Why root n? What could be the running? Any idea? Why is this root n?
Can we take a big number and check some 10 or 20? What's happening there?
Okay.
Maybe it is connected with the I value. I don't know.
How come it is connected with I value, Uma? We don't have a maximum limit for the I. We're not checking I at all. Only the while loop.
But if I might reach N faster,
Okay. I reached n faster. What are you saying? I'll just quickly type this. Okay. So I'm gonna give 1 of 10. Right. So this
yeah.
will go for how many iterations? Fine. It's going for this much. We give 100. Oh my God. See, it's going till 101.
Yeah, why this it routine?
Why did they say like that? Don't say that they have made a mistake. How many mistakes will they do? How many mistakes are we supposed to find out?
Is this last time question?
Yeah, yeah. See this. I took it from the last time only, right? See,
I should get some marks. They should have passed.
look at this. Why are they doing this to us? Pooja, please take a note of this. Take a screenshot and put this on the discourse. Huh?
Okay.
Will you do it or should I do it?
I'll take, I think.
Yeah, yeah. But you understand the logic, right?
Yeah, it should not be that, right?
Hmm. Why are they doing this to me? They will come and answer that. We know that it is wrong. Okay, we are testing you whether you guys are coming and reporting it back to us. Sometimes they do that.
But I could get
Okay.
some marks, no? Then I
Yeah, I
would have
know.
passed last time also. I was very close, yeah. 34 I got.
Oh, okay. But now you are good. Okay, come on. It's all about, it's not passing, right? It's about getting a good one and making sure you understand the concepts well.
Yeah.
Fine.
So what is the
Next question.
time complexity of the following, sorry,
Yeah.
time complexity of the following recurrence relation? Mm,
Oh my God.
2p
Kind of.
n by 4 plus n square.
Yeah.
Actually, we have a formula, Gokul.
Hmm?
Today only I learned it is much easier with the
Please tell me.
all the
Please teach it to me.
pardon?
Please teach it to me if you know the formula.
Yeah, actually, you remember you took a screenshot of the sir has given a diagram. So this you can draw it as n to n by 4. To n by 4. Can you draw that tree?
Repeat.
N is split into n by 4, n by 4.
Okay.
And there is
Acha.
a formula for this kind of thing, right?
Yeah, I remember. Okay. Yeah, I mean,
Formula is, I think, r power log c n.
let,
Log n, the base is c.
let's take the formula also so that Pooja also will be able to know that, right?
Yeah, from the
For this,
diagram.
we go n to the power log CR.
Yeah, when you reverse it, the actual formula is this r power l like that, something like that.
Which week is that?
This week only, you are correct. Yeah.
3.4, I believe.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
N log the this one.
Should I take a screenshot of this? All right. What does it
It is
mean?
n power log cr.
N power log C R.
Yeah,
Okay.
finally. Yeah. This r is that number of splitting 2,
Okay,
and
wait.
c is that divided by n divided by that number.
Okay, wait. R equal to
That
the number of
splitting.
how much we are splitting,
2,
right?
2, yeah, 2.
Split count, which is equal to 2 in this place. Okay.
Yeah,
Then
yeah. And n is that division, denominator, n by 4. So, sorry, what is
For
that?
our
C is
okay.
question,
equal to
R is
4.
4.
R is equal to 2.
No. For our question,
For our question,
yeah, R is equals to 4.
no, R is the number of split. You go to the diagram, Gokul, picture in the
Yeah,
slides.
that's what. That's what. See, first we'll discuss this, then we go there. Okay. First,
Yeah.
let's talk about this here. Hmm.
No, just go above. There is one more bigger picture.
Right.
No, not this one. There is some things called R C. They might have given that. No, no.
No, ma, they're just trying to compute the calculations. Okay. This is also
No,
should be
there's
fine.
one thing where it was very clear. Go up, try the diagram, the tree recursion tree diagram. It is from that you can easily come here. This one. Yeah, yeah, Gokul. You just click that slide.
Yeah.
See here, the R is splitting thing.
Okay.
Can you see
Or
now?
is it totally how many splits we have, right?
Yeah. So
One,
C
two,
is
three,
like
four.
denominator. How many n by 4 or n by 3, things like that. So you keep
Okay.
on increase the travel treat is R power a function of n by C power L. So that is where we have substituted. We
Or
have
power.
converted
What is
this.
this L? What is this L?
How many number of times, like k times or like that. See, L is like keep on increase. 2, 3 for the power.
L is not, there is no limit for L, I believe, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
No, we
So
don't need in the problem. L is not needed because the formula contains only.
the formula is saying how many number of splits you're gonna, for each and every layer, it's gonna
Yeah,
exponentially
yeah.
increase, right? R power 2 next, R power 3,
Anyway,
R
we
power
don't
4,
need
something
that
like
L.
that.
So in the formula, it is just n power log CR.
So try to
Yeah,
make me understand this.
yeah, this is the one. Yeah, R power log Cn converts to the base conversion.
N log C, C is the denominator, R is the number of splits we have.
Yeah. So in our problem, C is equal to 4, R is equal to 2.
Yeah, two splits we are making, correct?
Yeah.
This two represents two splits.
So
So
n power
yeah, C equal to 4, R equal to 2, and the formula is N,
n power log CR.
correct?
Yeah.
Is it N power? Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah,
wow.
yeah.
Okay, I have put it as multiplication. Okay, fine. N power. Hmm.
So log 4 to
So
the base 2. Sorry, base 4, right? Log 2
log 4
to the 2.
2.
R is 2, right?
Hmm.
No, no. For our question,
Hmm.
E is 2 and R is 4.
No, in that tree, that is what it says, right? Splitting is R and C is 4.
Okay, wait. Let Pooja talk. Pooja, go ahead.
Yeah, because in quiz 2, I done it like this. Here we take R is equals to 4
Okay. Okay.
and C
Let's
is
take
equals to 2.
R equal to 4 and C equal to 2. Okay. And
Then
let's.
n to the power
Okay.
log base 2 and 4.
Yeah.
Here
Two
we can
splits.
write 4 like 2 to the power 2 and n to the power 2 comes, yeah, yeah, I would say it. And log
This will,
base 2 becomes
yeah, this
1.
will become as 1. Uma,
But
this
then it is
seems
wrong.
okay. Whatever she is saying is correct, right?
But according to the question, this is the correct, right? Then the answer is wrong then. That is how the picture says, right?
Then we need to understand something here. Sorry, saying that the option itself is wrong.
But Puja, is the same question you got in
No,
quiz?
my question is that, I mean, Pooja,
So
you now try to, talk
how
to
did
her and
Puja
negotiate
said
it.
that C is equal to, how did she say that?
Hmm.
Is the same question?
This tree,
No, no. In the question, did you get the same question? 2tn by 4 plus order of n square?
uh, no, actually question was not same. Like 2t n by 3, like something. I got
Pooja, look at
No,
this
but
now.
how did you say for this question you are trying this option and taking?
actually I done a
Pooja,
question like 3t n by 9, something question was like
Okay,
this.
but this question may be Gokul. Whatever
yeah.
we got, the answer may be less, and the higher order is n square. So even that would have been the answer, right? What is the value of log base to 4? N power. We can find that. If that is lesser,
Okay.
this is going to be n square.
See, Uma, you're asking, let us try to calculate
Yeah,
this. Is that what you're
yeah,
saying?
yeah.
Okay. So
If that
it's,
is lesser, usually the time complexity we will represent the higher order.
hmm,
So we will pick the n square. So that would have been answer. We cannot switch the R and C. We have n
right.
square, right?
Yeah. I'm just trying to do this. So how do we make this as 4? This.
We can find the value, right? Directly in the calculator. I'll check. Shall I?
No, 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 no. How you should have a base 4 calculator then. I mean, or else you need to do the much big
Yeah, I
process.
have a scientific calculator. Let's check.
Okay. Or simply we can try to convert this 2 to 4. That's what I'm trying to do. Take it into the same base. Okay. Pooja, does this make sense?
Don't
Pooja?
know.
See,
Yeah.
no, no. I'm saying that earlier it was log 4 2, right? Log base 4 2 it was. Okay. So I'm making it as that 2. I'm making it as squaring it
Log
and
to the, yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah. Okay. So now we have log 4 4 the
Base
whole
4
power 1 by 2. Correct.
and
Now this
then
will become
power 1 by 2.
correct. Now this will become n
1
which
by
is
2.
root n. Correct. At the end.
Yeah.
And then the complexity will become as root n. What is this? Why are we having so much confusion here? And Puja, see, according to your logic, it's fine, totally fine. Okay. My question here is, see this Puja. This is the recurrence relation they have shown in the picture, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See this. So you have R, which means R is 2 and C is 4.
4.
Just like how Uma just told.
Yeah, yeah.
And how did you take that? And if you are taking it like this, we are taking it getting n square. My God, so much confusion.
Point is maybe if that is less, then we will obviously choose n square, right? So that could be the answer.
Okay, okay. So
There
you are
is a
saying here, you're
yeah.
saying of all the four, if this is was the least, so we are taking this,
No, no,
right?
no, 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 no. I'm not even going to the options, Gokul.
Okay,
From the answer, see, definitely it is going to be n power something less than 2, right?
correct. It is n power 1 by 2, Uma.
Yeah. Then it is not. We always time complexity takes the higher order, right? So for this relation, it will be n power 2 plus n square. So see, in examples, take BFS or whatever it is. When
Uma, 1 minute. So we got the thing as n power 1 by 2,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
So you are saying that. Go ahead.
plus n square, there is there, right?
That should we do that?
The
In
whole
question. In question, it's
Ah,
given a square.
oh, okay, okay. So
but anyway,
this
n square.
this n square is giving the complexity here, huh?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
as
I
a
think that
whole, slight
I
confusion.
think that's making some sense. Uma.
Yeah, yeah.
Because of that only we are getting it as n square and not because of the first one.
Yeah.
Pooja, you're also okay with this?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, great. You
But the
also learned
formula,
something. We also, yeah,
now I
Uma,
got confused. The formula is for the whole thing, f of n, right?
correct. Okay, so we are trying to calculate the complexity. Okay, yeah, f of n is here. You're right.
Yeah, so we should know what if that n square come. This I think this tree, the f of n is not n square, so it is easy. I think
Okay, yeah, that's correct. So in that tree, whatever you have done,
f of n. So we are substituting n. Maybe here we should substitute n square by c.
we are just having f of n.
Yeah,
So
here maybe we should try by n square by c. Maybe.
okay, see, that's what they would have. So sir has explained so many things about this, right? The bottom slides. He has
Yeah.
given many
Good.
many increasing means yeah this okay. Each term is a constant factor smaller than the previous term. Okay, this is fine. Anyhow, we are decreasing that.
Yeah, there is also another method like drawing the tree and adding up. We can check, but yeah, it will take time. We can practice that maybe.
I'm trying to see this. So t of n equal to sort is n log n and 2t n by 2 plus n. Okay. So So this 2t n by 2 is coming it as, I mean, this part is changing as n log n. So that's why total big O of n is n log n, correct?
Yeah.
I mean, we have an n operations for this. So similarly, they are doing the same thing here.
Yeah, then because here n it is easier because adding up gives n.
Hmm.
So finally it is taking as n log. Yeah, there is a
Hmm.
method actually. I am just learning that now.
Okay.
There are two methods, either substitution method or you can draw a tree and keep on add something like that. So still it is
Mhm.
confusing. For one problem we are getting, but the other relation we are not getting it.
What do you mean
I
by other relation we are not getting? Which one?
no, see if you substitute that log c for some problem it is working out. But now here we are not getting no because
No,
of that.
because of this n square only, Uma.
Yeah.
Because
No,
of
but
this n square only, the complexity is n square.
yeah, but how do we arrive at? See, according to this formula, we are taking including that n only. We are getting that formula, no n power log CR, right?
Ah, correct. N power log CR. Okay.
That then we cannot separate that n square. But here also, then maybe you should put n square. Is that so?
So you are saying that plus n square or something like that.
No, I'm talking about here. They are not mentioning no plus n. Then how can we add as plus n square in that function? It is not separated, no.
They haven't talked about that over here. The
Uh,
t of n, the series is equal to t of n, big O of n log n.
it is
They're
totally
not
there.
talking about that. You're right.
Yeah, so we cannot come to conclusion. It's
So
okay.
see, look at this. Series p of n is big O of n log n. So this whole thing only they are taking it as a series.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. That's why I'm confused. We can't say separate the 10 square, I'm telling.
Hmm.
Must be we should able to try out the tree method or there is two methods like tree you draw and calculate for combine it on each level, and then there is another method substitution method. You have to substitute n by 4 things like that, n by 16, and then you have to calculate. There are two methods to calculate and then come to GP geometric progression and then take the value and find out things like that.
Okay. Okay. So we'll go to the next question. Pooja,
Yeah.
Yeah.
simply to take because of this n square only we are getting that. Okay. Huh. Probably this will be the last question. Then we'll continue either tomorrow or in the evening session. Let's
Okay.
go ahead.
Evening, what time you are having? 7:30.
7:30. 7:30.
Okay.
Go ahead. Pooja, are you
Yeah.
okay with this? Are you comfortable with this kind of questions?
Insertion short
Mhm.
n equal to length of L, which
See,
of the following
this,
is
you
correct?
don't need to see this. You don't need to see this. See, look at this question.
Because sort is stable and it sorts in place. Complexity of insertion short.
Wait. First point, which is they are asking, which of the following statements are true or false? Okay. So first point, insertion sort is stable and it sorts in place. So what is this stable? What is this in place? Does anyone know?
Yeah, Gokul. Stable
Wait,
is like
Pooja. Okay. Pooja, do you know that?
Yeah, yeah.
What is
Mm,
stable? Hmm.
I how to
Okay.
see this?
Okay. Now let's give Uma a chance. Okay. Uma, go ahead.
yeah. You take a number 4 4, then 1 2 like that.
Gonna close
Yeah.
delete this.
Like if in list we have repeating digits.
Yeah, 4 4 things like that. So it will
Okay.
change. A B 4. You can mark it as 4 A B C.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Get it.
Okay.
Mm.
Table means what does it mean?
If you compare these things, these fours won't change their position. That's why.
Correct. That's what. So after the insertion sort, okay, sorted list will be 1, 4A, 4B, 4C. The order in which they came in will be the same. Correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Correct. Great. So is insertion sort such a kind of a sort?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And Danya told yesterday, in the day before yesterday, don't
Mhm.
go by the word insertion sort or merge sort. You go inside the algorithm, at least in the exam, because though the
Exactly.
name suggests it might not be stable, So the
Oh,
algorithm might differ, she told. So just by seeing the name, don't go by it. But it's okay.
okay.
It's the same thing as like our code, I think. So fine.
Mhm.
Complexity, I forgot. See, it is very hard to memorize so many complexities.
See, complexity is if you come to sorting algorithms, okay.
Yeah.
So mostly everything is n square only, right? Okay, for the best case and the worst case, you need to know.
Yeah, quick sort and merge sort as n log n. Yeah, here
Correct.
it doesn't mention as best case. Okay.
They have mentioned it as best case.
Is it n square in insertion sort?
What is an insertion sort? Please tell me that.
Yeah, I think compare the first element and the start from the first element.
Hmm?
I think
Okay,
compare
let's say that I'm gonna give you give you some numbers. 6, 4, 7,
partially remember.
8, 1, 2. Now please teach me the insertion sort. What did I do?
I forgot Google. I had to just have a glance. Yeah, I think 6 and 4 you compare.
That's what I mean. If you forgot, also you can see the algorithm here,
This
right?
is the first position.
For I in range of this, blah blah blah. J is greater than 0. Okay.
This
So L of
one,
I. Hmm.
4. Okay, I think, right?
Repeat.
You take 4 and I will be 6. The position I will be 0. Yeah.
Okay.
This is L of I, that is L of J.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
So the thing is, you compare this and this. Okay.
Yeah,
So if the second number is less than this, then you do the sort. Okay.
yeah,
You have 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay.
yeah.
So that's fine. So now you start with 6 and
It's in,
compare it with 7. So
yeah,
6 is less than 7. So that means this is done.
yeah,
You don't need to worry about this. Then you go to 7. So compare 7 and 8. So yeah, still 7 is smaller than 8. So no problem. Now you
yeah,
compare 8 and 1. 8 is smaller than 1.
yeah.
So 8 is bigger than 1. So 1 goes in front and 8 goes here. Now you compare these two.
Yeah, 7 and
1
8
and 7.
come to the first position.
Yeah, one now one will keep on moving and one will come to the first position. So 1, 4, 6, 7, 8. Then I mean 2 also will be coming like the same.
Yeah,
So you got this?
yeah.
Okay. So now what could be the worst case complexity ideally?
It is
Uma.
already sorted, right?
Yeah, correct. If it is already sorted, are you saying that if it is already sorted in which order? Descending order,
Okay, yeah, yeah, correct.
right? So
Everything
for
that,
8 and 7, you need to change it.
yeah,
7, 8, and then like 6 is there, right? You need
yeah,
to come that many steps, blah blah blah, so many times. All the times you need to keep on coming. So this is the worst case for the what is it?
yes, insertion sort, yeah.
Insertion sort. So the question is asking us what is the best case complexity for the insertion sort?
It is
So
sort of ascending order.
correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Only n,
Okay,
no? In case time complexity will be n then.
very good.
Yeah,
So that's probably the correct. See, that's why the second option is wrong.
yeah.
Pooja, you understood?
Yeah, yeah,
See,
fine.
Uma, even I don't know. I don't remember it. I'm not such a
Yeah, after I just need a glance. When you started, I got it. Yeah, it is. I
yeah.
remember.
Even looking at the score only, I was able to
Yeah,
answer that.
given the code, so then it is easy for us to
Hmm,
reconnect.
correct. Fine. So in insertion sort, after m
If
iterations,
it is not given, then it is a big challenge. I think in our quiz too, nothing was given. Algorithm was not given. So they asked for quick sort and things like that. That was
probably
difficult.
you need to
Memorize.
go do a recap of so many things. Okay, fine. Coming to this last option,
Yeah, in
after m
insertion sort, after
iteration.
m operation for the of the for loop, the first m elements in the list are in sorted order. Yes, true.
Hmm.
It is
Pooja,
true.
you are also okay with this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, chalo. Okay, then we'll stop with this. All right, I need to go now.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Creating
Good.
note.
Thanks.
One
7:30
second.
or coming at 7:30.
7:30 it is. Okay, and please, what was that? Which question was that we are looking for? Some question we were trying to understand, right?
Yeah. I think the recursion.
Recursive.
Recursion. Yeah.
This question, no, this question, yeah.
Oh, oh, okay.
complexity of the given algorithm. Please take a screenshot. Can anyone do that? Pooja, did you take a screenshot?
Yeah.
Take it, put it now itself in the discourse. All right.
Okay.
Okay. And let me know by when you come in the evening or something. So that next session we'll talk about this. So we have completed till 317. So I'll just put a mess. Okay, fine. 318 we need to start. Okay.
Thank you, Gokul. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.